Very good morning to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, is going to describe the summary of a very important chapter, that is my greatest Olympic prize included in grade 10 ICSE board. This chapter will talk about the autobiography of Jesse Owens, an American Negro and a wonderful athlete. Jesse Owens was against Adolf Hitler's Aryan supremacy Nazis theory. And why did I mention about Adolf Hitler? There is a reason behind this. Adolf Hitler, at that point of time, that is in 1936, he was the Chancellor of Germany, a very powerful dictator of Germany. And the entire chapter is an autobiography of Jesse Owens, and he has mentioned many things in his autobiography. 1936 Berlin Olympic Games was a remarkable moment for Jesse Owens, an American Negro, that is black. Students, you should understand this. At that point of time, there was hell lot of discrimination, racial discrimination. And what is racial discrimination? Discrimination on the basis of color. When Jesse Owens came to know about Hitler's theory, let's understand what was Hitler's theory. Aryan supremacy Nazis theory. You definitely get a question from this part. As per this theory, Adolf Hitler used to consider only the whites to be superior, and blacks should be dominated and discriminated. He kept his athletes under cover and wanted the whites only to win. This is the reason he was creating a kind of terror and fear in the minds of blacks. But still, nothing could stop Jesse Owens. Jesse Owens had disciplined, sweated and practiced for the past 6 years so that he could defeat this theory of Adolf Hitler. Being a black, he did not want to create any kind of terror. He just wanted to win medals in the 1936 Berlin Olympic Games. He was a son of a sharecropper. Jesse Owens belonged to a very poor family, but still he had that passion of winning medals in the 1936 Berlin Olympics and getting that name and fame so that his community, the black community, can be appraised. So this is how he comes to Berlin. As soon as he comes to Berlin, he sees a tall, blue-eyed German athlete, very strongly built, in the name of Luz Long. I'll say that he was not nervous, but yes, Luz Long in his trials of long jump was hitting at 25 feet. Approximately 25 to 26 feet. Now it was the turn of Jesse Owens to prove in his trials. Then only he would make it into the finals. But unfortunately, Jesse Owens, he committed 2 fouls back to back because he was jumping. He was actually taking off several inches beyond the line. You people know, in case if you step out of the line, when it comes to long jump, obviously it's a foul, and the third foul could kick him out of the 1936 Berlin Olympics. But Luz Long, a white German athlete, he comes and gives him a tip and says that draw a line or mark a line several inches before the beginning line and then take off. Jesse Owens did that. Jesse Owens was very happy that a white is helping a black, and that too in Germany. They both had spent time after this discussing about the game, discussing about sports events, the entire world situation. Why the world situation? Because it was the era of even the Second World War. But they became true friends, best friends. Jesse Owens really paid a salute to Luz Long, because Luz Long also disfollowed Hitler's Aryan supremacy theory. This gave confidence to Jesse Owens, and now it was the final. It was the finals of long jump in the 1936 Berlin Olympics. Luz Long broke his own old record. This gave Jesse Owens more confidence that his friend has done wonders. Now it's his time, because Luz Long wanted Jesse Owens to do very well in the Olympics. And this is how, look at Jesse Owens' record. He had won 4 gold medals, created history. An American Negro created history. Adolf Hitler's theory went in vain. And you won't believe, Luz Long came and shook hands with Jesse Owens, and Adolf Hitler was watching from his stands. This was now the term that I'm going to use is long-term friendship. Not of a black and a white, but true friends. Unfortunately, I am very sorry to say that in this chapter you will come to know that later on Luz Long died in a war. This is the reason Jesse Owens has written this autobiography, paying a tribute to his best friend, that is Luz Long. Therefore, my greatest Olympic prize is not medals and cups. It is the long-term friendship with Luz Long. Thank you so much, students. You can also subscribe my channel in the name of Desire Career Point. And if you want to join my live sessions of English literature and language classes, you can call me at 9839 305466. My channel's name is once again Desire Career Point. Thank you so much.